So we just started a new chapter in last video, which was diversity among plant. We were only done with the flow chart, like what we will discuss. We'll be discussing, like plant, which is having two types: vascular, non-vascular. These all. So I'm sure it's clear if you have watched that video. And in today's video, we are only going to see evolutionary relationship in plant, which is our second topic. Among plants. So we're starting. First thing, you'll see evolutionary relationship in biology is called as phylogeny. So this is simply the term which is used according to biology. So phylogeny is only the branch of biology which means evolutionary relationship. Okay, then we are studying phylogeny of plants. Phylogeny of plants. First thing that Earth, like 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was formed. Earth was made, whereas after 3.5 year, Earth life, like this is the time where Earth got life. People, like there was a lot of things changing. So this means there was a difference of 1 year, like how Earth was made and after how life came on Earth. So this is the difference. Whereas we have alga. So if you're thinking why we're discussing alga, because alga was the first aquatic plant. Okay, so even in this you'll see most closed alga, which is Cara, which is like we'll discuss of course, but for now phylogeny plant this is. And you will see that photosynthesis happen. So this means they're called as photosynthesis happen in plant, they're called as autotrophs. And they also have, if they are autotroph, they have chlorophyll A and all the chlorophylls, right? They have cell wall. Whereas plant and alga, of course we cannot say they both are same, whereas they have a difference. Plant, alga, they both are different. First, the major differences in plant, you will see they have heteromorphic, and here you will see isomorphic. So this is a major difference, which is not important to know right now because this is not our topic. Evolutionary relationships. So we are starting. First thing, plants. In that plants we have two types, like plant parts. Of course not plant, because plant have two types which we have discussed, which was vascular, non-vascular. Okay. So here first type which we are going to discuss is written here, which is subterranean. Which simply means underground parts of the plant, like roots, nodules, all the parts. These all like underground parts help in what? They help in absorption of mineral plus salt. So this means these are also very important. Whereas the second type which we have is axial, if I'm not wrong, axial. Sorry if I pronounce wrong. Whereas in this part, these simply means part which are upside, like air side, upside, because these are present. First thing you will of course say flower or leaves. So you're right, flower, leaves, branches, stem, these all. So these all help in CO2, like help in O2 taking, of course. Not CO2 taking, like of course plant help in taking carbon dioxide from our environment, and they provide CO2. Okay, not CO2 but O2, sorry, provide O2, which is for sure beneficial for us. Okay, so I'm sure it's clear. Then In plants, you'll also see like three more types. How it's like, you will see that plant need a particular temperature whereas they can work. So we have three types, like tropical, which simply means they have high temperature, whereas the second type which we have is temperate, which simply means their temperature is low. So the type which have average temperature, plant will only work in that condition, that's called as subtropical, which simply means average temperature. Okay, average temperature, so I'm sure it's clear. Whereas you will see that soil also need a particular condition, like micropores and macropores. These are like clay soil, and this simply means sand, which are a little hard, and they have water holding capacity more. Okay, whereas they have very like low water holding capacity. Okay, so in this so if you're thinking where will plant grow nicely, there's another condition, like a plant only grow in the mixture of these both, that's called as loamy is simply mixture of land or mixture of sand and clay, that form the best soil for plant where they grow easily. Okay, and even soil need a particular pH where it could only work. So it's like the pH of soil, which is 6.5 to 8. This is the particular pH where they work. So it's like best pH is this one, whereas it could be varying from like around 6 to 8, only like that. Okay, so I'm sure it's clear to you. So rest, I think we'll discuss in next video. Till that, thank you for watching. Bye bye.